This video was made by the Plants for Human Health Institute of NC State University as part of the VacCAP project. And it demonstrates how to use the ATAGO Pocket Acidity Meter for blueberries. In the case of blueberry, the primary acid measured would be citric acid. Materials should be at room temperature unless you want a specific temperature such as cold fruit. Prepare the blueberry samples by grinding them into a puree using a blender, and then dilute 1 gram of the puree with distilled water up to 50 grams. Before you start, it's best to rinse the meter with distilled water to get the most accurate results. When you're wiping off something from the meter, use Kim wipes or soft cloth. Do not use paper towels. First, zero the acidity meter in air. Put 1 milliliter of the diluted solution and press start to get the acidity reading. Typical blueberry samples will give you a range of 0.11 to 1.31. After measuring a sample, rinse the sensor with distilled water and wipe it off carefully using Kim wipes or soft cloth. This method is easy to run, requires low maintenance cost, and can be done within just 20 seconds. Readings may differ depending on the titration method that you're using, but there is a correlation between the methods, and for some of the acidity meters, there is a feature called the offset function that enables your ATAGO meter to automatically adjust the readings according to the correlation that you have. First, you need to find out what the correlation is, which can be easily done using Excel. Measure some samples using both the ATAGO meter and your titrimeter. Select the acidity values that you've collected and insert a scatter plot. Add a trend line to your scatter plot and find out the correlation equation by double-clicking the trend line and clicking to display equation on chart. In this example, the A value is 0.50, which is the coefficient, and the B value is 0.31, which is the intercept. Now you can embed this correlation into your device using the offset function. Hold down 0 until you enter the offset feature. Press 0 to select either positive or negative for the intercept. Press start to confirm and enter the intercept by pressing the 0 button to change the number and the start button to move on to the next digit. Once you've set the intercept, press start to confirm and move on to the coefficient. Again, press the 0 button to change the number and press the start button to move on to the next digit, and finally press start to confirm. When you measure a sample after setting the correlation, you will automatically get an acidity reading that you would get from your conventional titrimeter. To roll your device back to the default setting, hold down 0 to enter the offset feature and then press the R button. You can find more information at the ATAGO website. The link to their website is provided in the description section of this video.